I have this Fortress air compressor I got from Harbor Freight, and I got the warranty with it, but it's like a year or 2 year past warranty at this point. I've had it for 3 or 4 years, maybe something like that. Let's just say 4 years. So I've had this air compressor for about 4 years, and the head got a crack in it, so it wouldn't build over about 110 psi, which is a problem. And I got on the Harbor Freight website looking for replacement parts, and you can get a lot of parts on there, but the head was one of the things that I could not get. So I scoured the internet, found an outfit that had one called Tri-City Tool Parts, and they had the head, and it appears to be exactly the same. So I am going to fix my air compressor, throw that together. I think that part was about 54 bucks. I actually have the receipt right here, $45. I can't use my air tools with the way it's been working. I could air up a tire, but I couldn't run my air tools. So we're going to get this fixed and put it back to use. I've been needing it bad. We're going to get this thrown in here. So this is the new one. It looks like the exact same one, other than not cracked. So we're going to throw that in here. This compressor's been working, but it won't build over 100 pounds of pressure, just because it's the more pressure it builds, the more it blows out. So it was great for airing up tires, but I couldn't run any air tools. So we're going to get this pulled back apart and change the head. The head's actually right here. Right there. I don't know if I have to take the whole thing apart like I did last time. I don't remember what that was. Phillips or Torx? Torx. I'm pretty excited. I tried ordering one of these before from somebody else, and it got back ordered, and it sat on back order forever, and they finally just refunded my money. And then I found this Tri-Cities tool had it in stock. I don't remember how I... Okay. And here's where it's cracked along here. So the more air built up, opened that crack up even more. So there's my new one. Hopefully it's better. Might be just a smidgen thicker. Okay. So the only difference between this one and that one is the exhaust or the intake port, which is not a big deal. I could run it down or at an elbow. I didn't even realize that. And I don't care. So obviously this isn't the exact one for this. This is for a Husky or a Craftsman air compressor. I'm sure it has a torque spec. I don't know what it is, so I'm just gonna try to make them all feel the same. All right, I'll throw this in the vise. Whoa. Something's not right here. Thread's not right. Something. I gotta look into this. Well, I got a discrepancy here with my fittings. I don't know if I have anything. Well, it looks like I'm gonna have to go to the hardware store in the morning and get something for that. I don't have anything here. Well, I don't know what to think of that. It looks like it's a finer thread. So there's a couple of differences here. So pull that head off and take it in and get something to match that. It's just smaller than the one that came out. All right. Okay. And then I got to figure out what to do with this guy. We'll come back to this when I can figure out what the heck's got going on here. Well, okay. Well, I thought this would be the better way to go. Drill it out so that everything works right. And I'm pretty happy with it now. And I picked up this elbow for the intake tube. I thought if I ran it out the side, it would work way better than trying to run it out the bottom somehow. Oh yeah, this is going to work way better. It's going to fit like it should. I'm pretty happy with that. I'm glad I decided to do this. I need a hole right here for that intake tube. Oh yeah, perfect. I switched this to a dual filter system just so I could have better airflow. There. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take this out to the shed, hook it up. I've got it in the back shed, plumbed into here so I don't hear it. I'll go hook it back up and plug it in and let it build air, see how much we get, and give it a test run. Ooh, yeah. Sounds good. Thanks for watching.